Welcome to the brief presentation of ISO 13485 requirements. We are going to discuss clause number 8.4, analysis of data. Analysis of data. Analytical requirements. Plan how you're going to evaluate your QMS. Establish procedures to evaluate your QMS. Use your analytical results to improve your QMS. The organization shall document procedures to determine, collect and analyze appropriate data to demonstrate the suitability, adequacy and effectiveness of the quality management system. The procedures shall include determination of appropriate methods, including statistical techniques and the extent of their use. The analysis of data shall include data generated as a result of monitoring and measurement and from other relevant sources and include, at a minimum, input from A. Feedback, B. Conformity to product requirements, C. Characteristics and trends of processes and product, including opportunities for improvement, D. Suppliers, E. Audits, F. Service report, as appropriate. If the analysis of data shows that the quality management system is not suitable, adequate or effective, the organization shall use this analysis as input for improvement as required in. Records of the results of analyses shall be maintained. Welcome to the brief presentation of ISO 13485 requirements. We are going to discuss clause number 8.5, improvement. Improvement requirements. Take action to change QMS and products. Identify any changes that must be made. Identify changes that maintain QMS suitability, adequacy, and effectiveness. Identify changes needed to ensure medical device safety and performance. Make any changes that must be made. The organization shall identify and implement any changes necessary to ensure and maintain the continued suitability, adequacy and effectiveness of the quality management system as well as medical device safety and performance through the use of the quality policy, quality objectives, audit results, post-market surveillance, analysis of data, corrective actions, preventive actions and management review. Corrective action. Take action to correct actual nonconformities. Document a corrective action procedure. Specify how actual problems will be investigated. Specify how corrective actions will be developed. Specify how corrective actions will be verified. Specify how corrective action will be taken. Specify how corrective action will be reviewed. Implement your corrective action procedure. Maintain records of corrective action taken. The organization shall take action to eliminate the cause of nonconformities in order to prevent recurrence. Any necessary corrective actions shall be taken without undue delay. Corrective actions shall be proportionate to the effects of the nonconformities encountered. The organization shall document a procedure to define requirements for A. Reviewing nonconformities, including complaints. B. Determining the causes of nonconformities. C. Evaluating the need for action to ensure that nonconformities do not recur. D. Planning and documenting action needed and implementing such action, including, as appropriate, updating documentation. E. Verifying that the corrective action does not adversely affect the ability to meet applicable regulatory requirements or the safety and performance of the medical device. F. Reviewing the effectiveness of corrective action taken. Records of the results of any investigation and of action taken shall be maintained. Preventive action. Take action to prevent potential nonconformities. Document a preventive action procedure. Specify how potential problems will be investigated. Specify how preventive actions will be developed. Specify how preventive actions will be verified. Specify how preventive action will be taken. Specify how preventive action will be reviewed. Implement your preventive action procedure. Maintain records of preventive action taken. The organization shall determine action to eliminate the causes of potential nonconformities in order to prevent their occurrence. Preventive actions shall be proportionate to the effects of the potential problems. The organization shall document a procedure to describe requirements for a. Determining potential nonconformities and their causes. b. Evaluating the need for action to prevent occurrence of nonconformities. c. Planning and documenting action needed and implementing such action, including, as appropriate, updating documentation. d. Verifying that the action does not adversely affect the ability to meet applicable regulatory requirements or the safety and performance of the medical device. e. Reviewing the effectiveness of the preventive action taken, as appropriate. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Please give us your suggestions and feedback by an email.